Hi, I'm Kyle Alexander with Professional Car Washing and Detailing Magazine and Carwash.com, and this is your weekend review. This week in Car Wash e-News, Waters Car Wash announced the opening of a new location near Orlando, Florida. The Millennia Boulevard location marks the 16th Waters Car Wash location there. It also represents another step forward in the company's strategic expansion initiatives. Ray Underwood, Chief Development Officer of Waters' parent company, Summit Wash Holdings, said this opening meets the needs of Summit's expanding community. Waters Car Wash currently has 22 locations across Florida. National Car Wash Solutions is partnering with Spot AI, a maker of cloud-based video intelligence systems. They are integrating their technologies to produce AI-powered video management, enhancing operational performance and insights in the Car Wash 4.0 landscape. Spot AI advances car wash video management, enabling operators to make footage actionable instantly. Operators can easily see, search, share, and manage security cameras across all locations from any device, anywhere. NCS will host a live webinar about the partnership on August 15th. Splash Car Wash has opened its 41st New York location, an express wash located in Clay, New York. This marks Splash's third greenfield site, opened in 2024 and seventh in the last 12 months. Splash now has over 70 car washes open or under development in New York, Connecticut, Vermont, and Maryland. The Clay location boasts a 140-foot tunnel with the latest technology and equipment, including Optimus Prep, Splash's high-pressure wash system. Splash installed 24 free vacuum stations and a mat cleaning room. Splash currently employs over 1,100 employees across all locations. Mammoth Holdings has opened a new Busy Bee Carwash in Kendall, Florida. This is Mammoth's latest site opening that aligns with the company's dual growth strategy of developing greenfield operations while also acquiring existing brands. Mammoth says the site will provide convenience and best-in-class service to customers in the greater Kendall area. It's the fourth Mammoth location under the Busy Bee Carwash brand. Mammoth has 143 operating locations system-wide. And finally, PC&D would like to remind you that we are currently collecting data for the 5th edition of our Professional Car Washing Industry Report. It's produced every 2 years and aims to provide a benchmark for car wash operators to measure their businesses against. In the survey, you'll find questions about year-over-year car counts, revenue projections, effective marketing, eco-friendly statistics, and more. If you have a free minute after watching this video, you should take our survey and enter for a chance to win a great prize as well. The survey will be closed this September, and we are scheduled to upload the entire 5th edition of the industry report for purchase at carwash.com on January 1st, 2025. You can find a link to the survey in our e-newsletters, and we thank you for participating. That'll do it for this week's Weekend Review. You can find the full stories of these highlights at carwash.com. You can also sign up for our free Car Wash e-News and magazine at carwash.com/subscribe. I've been Kyle Alexander. Until next time, keep on sparkling.